So checking out my battery in my new Maverick, 23 Maverick. You know, this thing's had multiple issues with dying. You'll know that because I have the jumper cables and I also have a jump and carry jump box. And my gorgeous wife. That's an option. So notice, I want to check this out because I just submitted for a buyback request and or repair assistance. So that's all submitted. This battery, this Motorcraft battery, is leaking. You can see right from the top, 12 of 23, it's a replacement already. But if you look down here, it's already corroding my truck. Look how bad that's leaking. You know what battery acid does to the inside of a vehicle? Like, that's crazy. That's all battery acid. And you could see it, you could smell sulfur too. So I was making sure before I sent it in that it wasn't a mouse nest. I mean, it's highly unlikely because of how much I drive my vehicle. And it's parked outside. It's not in a barn or a garage that mice can get in. So, yeah. The replacement battery has splued everywhere. You can see where it's leaking. Right down the side, and then if you look, I think I can get the droplets in there. So the side of the battery actually has like droplets on it. Oh, there it goes. Oh, battery acid. You see that? Isn't that crazy? So, yeah. Terrible. But this is the second battery this truck has had. You know, it's just, what are you gonna do? I wanted to update you. See you guys.